that it took millions of years to the Earth to generate all the fossil fuels that we are currently consuming, such as oil, gas, and coal. Our massive dependence on fossil fuels for every activity in our life is polluting the Earth, and fossil fuels won't last forever. So there is an urgent need to develop different alternatives of renewable energy that must be sustainable and inexpensive. One of the most promising alternatives relies on the use of cyanobacteria. Now I know, you might be thinking in some toxic bacteria, but what if I tell you that these small creatures have a unique ability that allow the existence of all oxygen-dependent organisms on Earth, like us? This unique ability is called photosynthesis. In other words, these really cool microorganisms are able to harvest the free energy from the sunlight and capture the carbon dioxide from the Earth to produce their own food. But at the same time, they release pure oxygen back to the atmosphere, available for all of us to breathe. Now, imagine if we could exploit this ability to transform the world, building a society fully independent on fossil fuels. That is a huge challenge, and that's where my research comes in. I investigate the potential of cyanobacteria to produce different sources of renewable energy, such as biodiesel. To do this, I started my work looking for those cyanobacterial species that are able to produce large amounts of fat inside the cells. This fat, accumulated in the cell, is then extracted and converted into biodiesel by a simple reaction. Well, it turns out that not only fatty cells are important, but also the composition of the fat greatly influences the quality of the final biodiesel product. Well, so far, my research has shown that there are several cyanobacterial species able to produce fat with a proper composition for a good quality of biodiesel, according to international standards. Now, there is still a long way to go to reach the commercial levels of biodiesel production, and my work is a small but important step in this direction. In the meantime, we have still much to learn before we become guardians rather than despoilers of our planet. Thank you.